Hello and namaste everyone. This is going to be one of the most amazing life-changing video for you, because in this video we are going to learn one of the most powerful brain exercise to increase the power of brain. In fact, controlling power to control every negative thought, every negative urge, negative desire and negative impulse. Friends, before learning this exercise, I would like to draw your attention. Do you know how many neurons are there in our brain? Neuron means a nerve cell. There are almost 86 billion neurons in our brain. What is the function of neurons? Please listen to me carefully. Neurons combine so that each one helps with many memories at a time, exponentially increasing the brain's memory storage capacity to something closer to around 2.5 petabytes or a million gigabytes. For comparison, if your brain worked like a digital video recorder in a television, 2.5 petabytes would be enough to hold 3 million hours of TV shows. You would have to leave the TV running continuously for more than 300 years to use up all that storage. See the storage power of your brain. But we are not using our brain properly. We don't know how to use our brain. In fact, storage is not only the characteristics of our brain. Brain is the controller of every function of our body. Brain is the generator and controller of every thought, every desire, every urge, every impulse. So in this video, we're going to learn the technique brain exercise, which was taught by ancient sages of India. There are 2 steps of this exercise. Listen to me carefully. The first step is close your fingers like this. Make fist. Okay? Make fist and stand straight. Down your hands, tilt your neck backward. Look upward. At this posture, you have to count for 25 times. Means you have to inhale and exhale for 25 times. Like this. Look at me carefully. Tilt your neck backward. Move upward. Inhale and exhale for 25 times like this. You have to count in your mind 25. I am showing you how to count. 1, 2, 3. Like this, you have to repeat this process for 25 times. At this posture, you have to concentrate your mind at ponytail area. While doing this exercise, you have to concentrate your mind on ponytail area. Ponytail area means this is your ponytail area. You have to concentrate your mind while doing this exercise. Now I am concentrating at ponytail area and practicing this exercise for 25 times. Like this, you have to repeat 25 times. Don't forget to concentrate your mind at ponytail area. Now, the second step, close your fingers like this. Make fist, hands downward. Tilt your neck downward. Like this. Keep your neck little tight. Concentrate your mind at ponytail area here. Then you have to inhale and exhale for 25 times. If you practice this exercise daily, it will increase your brain power. It will increase your mental strength. It will increase your controlling power to control every desire, every negative urge, every negative thought, every negative impulse. This exercise is highly beneficial for students also who want to progress in spirituality and Brahmacharya life. Friends, if you like this video, do share this video maximum. give your positive feedback. My English is not so good, but I will try my best to explain you things in a better way. Okay friends, I will bring forth a new amazing video next time. See you again. All the very best.